China unveiled its first homegrown aircraft carrier on Friday, a vessel with advanced aircraft launch technology similar to its US counterparts, in an event designed to symbolize the country's expanding military might. In a ribbon-cutting ceremony held at the Jiangnan shipyard in Shanghai, officials unveiled the Type 003 warship, called Fujian. The Chinese Navy, under instruction from President Xi Jinping, has undergone a modernization and expansion program that is nothing short of spectacular. Friday's launch of its third and most advanced aircraft carrier, the Fujian, for sea trials underscores just how far it has come and how fast. The first two carriers, the Liaoning and Shandong, were ex-Soviet designs. The Liaoning initially bought for scrap from Ukraine and refitted. While antiquated, they have been used to train new generations of naval officers and pilots in the complex science and art of aircraft carrier operations. This new design of aircraft carrier is a quantum leap in capabilities from these older models and will greatly enhance China's combat power. The Fujian is colossal. At 316 meters, 1,037 feet long, it will weigh around 100,000 tons when fully loaded. Its electromagnetic aircraft launch system will accelerate jets taking off at speed, assisting their takeoff with such force the aircraft will be able to carry more fuel and weapons, therefore extending the reach and size of the punch the aircraft carrier packs. Early warning aircraft will be able to take off and land more easily, enhancing the carrier's ability to spot its enemies from further away. EMLS is also able to launch more aircraft at a greater rate, getting more jets into the air faster than its opponents using older technologies, and is vital for defending itself against incoming attacks. This latest feature gives the Fujian a significant edge, as only the United States' latest Ford class of aircraft carrier is equipped with it. France is slowly developing a similar system and India is examining its feasibility, but outside the US, only China employs the system. Its navy has yet to operate a nuclear-powered carrier, as the US has done for decades. The Fujian is conventionally powered, but predictions are that the next one, to be built by China, will be nuclear-powered. The Fujian has shown the world that China has leapfrogged over several current military technologies, like steam catapult launching, rejecting them for cutting-edge designs that will set up China's carrier fleet for years to come. The goal for China's Navy is to have 6 carrier strike groups operating by 2035, allowing China to project levels of combat power unprecedented in its history wherever it chooses. Aircraft carriers do not operate alone and form the nucleus of a fleet that surrounds the carrier, protecting this mobile airbase while also contributing massive amounts of firepower that can devastate targets on the ocean or hundreds of kilometers inland. Their large complements of long-range land attack missiles, together with the carrier's air wing, provide state-of-the-art firepower, giving China a potent weapon at its disposal. An aircraft carrier strike group's prime role is to project power far beyond its national borders. This can be done using actual combat power, or force can be implied, the proximity of an air carrier strike group to a crisis zone acting as a diplomatic barometer. Either way, they have been effective tools of statecraft for decades. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.